Good morning, children. I am Shumana Dikshit, your science teacher, and today I will teach you the second part of the third chapter, Food and Health, which deals with diseases. When we eat too much of the nutrients, especially carbohydrates and fats, the body stores the excess amount as fat and we put on weight. People who are overweight are more likely to have serious illness such as heart problems and problems related to liver and kidneys. High blood pressure. When the heart pumps blood into the blood vessels, blood pushes against the wall of the vessels. The strength of this pushing is called blood pressure. Blood pressure can increase due to many reasons. One of it is being overweight. High blood pressure can damage the blood vessels and the heart over time. Diabetes is an illness in which the level of glucose, a type of carbohydrate, in the blood is higher than normal. People who have diabetes lose weight, feel tired easily, feel abnormally hungry and thirsty, and need to urinate often. Diabetes can harm the eyes, kidneys, heart, blood vessels, and nerves over time. These are the complications of diabetes. There are many reasons why people get diabetes. By being overweight definitely increases the risk of having the illness. Malnutrition. People who do not get enough to eat or who cannot absorb food due to some illness suffer from malnutrition or the lack of nutrients. If the body lacks all the major nutrients, the person becomes very thin, tires easily, catches illness easily, and so on. Now this is a chart of vitamins and minerals and the deficiency disease caused due to these vitamin and minerals and their symptoms. Now, lack of vitamin A causes loss of vision, and the symptoms are poor vision, loss of vision in darkness, sometimes complete loss of vision. Vitamin B1 and the diseases, deficiency disease leads to beriberi, and the symptoms are weak muscles and very little energy to work. Vitamin C, scurvy, and the symptoms are bleeding gums, wounds take longer time to heal. Vitamin D, the lack of vitamin D causes rickets. Here the bones become soft and bent. Calcium, which is a mineral, its deficiency leads to bone and tooth decay, and its symptoms are weak bones and tooth decay. Iodine, the deficiency is goiter, and the symptoms are glands in the neck appear swollen, mental disability in children. Deficiency of iron leads to anemia, and the symptoms are weakness. Preparing food. It is not only the food we eat, but also how we prepare it that is very important. Some ways of preparing food reduce the nutrients present in it and produces things that are harmful. Frying and smoking food burns up nutrients, which is harmful. Packaged food like cakes, cookies, snacks, frozen food, etc. are considered unhealthy because they have a kind of fat that is bad for the heart. Polishing and other ways of processing cereals and pulses also take away nutrients. Fermentation. Some ways of preparing food make food healthier. Let us talk about fermented food. Yeasts are tiny organisms that we can see only under the microscope. When we add yeast to something sugary, they digest it and changes it into something that tastes, feels, and smells different. This is what we call fermentation. Fermentation is the breaking down of food by microorganisms such as yeast. Bacteria can also be used to make fermented food. Some good bacteria change milk into yogurt. It helps us make fluffy idlis and dhoklas, some type of cheese and vinegar, and so on. Yeast, on the other hand, are used to make bread, bhatora, alcohol, and so on. Sprouting. Eating sprouted pulses is healthier than eating pulses for many reasons. It is easier to digest them. They give more nutrients. The body can absorb the nutrients in them more easily. Junk food. Junk food has a lot of fats and sugar, but not enough proteins, vitamins, minerals, and fiber. French fries, aerated drinks, samosas, pastries, etc. are examples of junk food. It is all right to have junk food once in a while, but not as a habit. Too much of junk food makes one put on weight and suffer from diseases of the digestive system, heart, and other organs. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.